To save all your personal settings, just create a driver profile. Whenever a driver's profile is activated, all personal settings are restored, conveniently enabling your individual driving experience. You can create more than one driver profile in your car. Please note that if you do not create a driver profile, all settings are stored in the guest profile. If you later decide to create a driver profile, you will start with default settings again. Each profile is then paired with a person's BMW ConnectedDrive account. If you do not have a BMW ConnectedDrive account yet, you can use the QR code in the control display to visit the BMW ConnectedDrive portal and set up an account. When activating the driver profile, all personal settings are restored. Even in a rental car, you can access your personal driver profile with your BMW ConnectedDrive account. Continue watching our How To series to get the most out of your BMW.